Hey, welcome to the Big Payback. I'm your host, Robert Mack, your favorite public adjuster, the tenant's secret weapon, and the landlord's hidden fixer. This is the show where renter's insurance meets real life, and we figure out how to get you paid. Now, let's get something straight from the jump. You're probably sitting on money right now, and you don't even know it. I've seen people breathing in mold, living in hotels, throwing away spoiled food, cleaning up after kitchen fires, and never once filing a claim. Why? Because nobody told them the policy they've been paying for since they signed the lease can actually work for them. That ends today. This is the policy that you forget that you have. Let's start with the basics. If you signed a lease in Florida, or most places for that matter, you are either required to get renter's insurance or you were offered it for cheap, maybe $10 to $30 a month. And you probably said, sure, whatever, to move in, or they told you you had to have it and you got it. The policy that you signed is sitting in your email, it's untouched, you forgot about it, and meanwhile, the AC's leaked and put mold in your closet and you're sleeping in it. That's money. Or maybe your neighbor's kid flooded their unit and it seeped into yours. Money. Carpet damage. That's not yours. Baseboard swollen, but your electronics got wet. Money. Guess what? Everything that gets damaged that belongs to you is potentially money in your pocket. Even something as small as spoiled food during a power outage. That's covered. Hotel nights when your place is unlivable, covered. Professional cleaning, covered. The average payout is $2,000 to $5,000 for a simple claim. Let me tell you about Vanessa. Single mom, 2 kids, Orlando. Kitchen fire. Didn't even think about calling me, she just cleaned it herself. She had renter's insurance, but figured, hey, the damage is her fault because the toaster caught fire. Smoke filled the apartment. Whole place smelled like charred popcorn and plastic. She hired a lady to come clean everything, the curtains, couches, even the kids' stuffed animals. Out of pocket, $750. She mentions it to a coworker. That coworker told her to call me. I took one look at the policy and boom, smoke damage, cleaning coverage, food spoilage, temporary relocation. Filed the claim, and insurance paid out $4,700. Now, honestly, she cried a little bit. I mean, she said she never filed a claim before because she didn't know it covered her own screw-ups. But newsflash, it's not a screw-up, it's a covered loss. You see where I'm going with this? If you understand this document, things can get taken care of. And if you're a landlord, listen up. I haven't forgotten about you. You got a busted wall, water-stained ceiling, a stinking fridge with maggots because a tenant got evicted, and you're eating that cost? Nah, bro, nah. If your tenant has liability coverage and every renter's policy is sold as a package policy, it has liability coverage, then you can trigger that coverage to get your property fixed. Your drywall, your carpet, even your smoke odor. No claim on your policy, no deductible out of your pocket, just a little know-how, and maybe a little help from a public adjuster who makes the call for you. So here's the play for the day. Go find that renter's policy. Search your email. Look for words like HO4 or liability or loss of use, additional living expenses. All these magical words exist inside that policy. Then, and if you really want to get into it, send it to me. I'll review it at no cost. Let me read the policy and tell you exactly what's covered. No guessing, no hoping, no begging the landlord or threatening your tenant. This is the Big Payback. If you're a tenant and your place smells like mold, looks like smoke, or you had to throw out a fridge full of food, if you're a landlord and your tenant left your unit trashed or toxic, go to placlaim.com and find out more. Or better yet, just DM me the words payback on Instagram, Facebook, or wherever you're listening, and let me do what I do best. Thanks for listening. Episode 2 drops next week. Mold grows fast, so you should check. Until then, file smart, breathe clean, and get the money you've already paid for.